Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. The new year and the Christmas sale is live. So if you are planning to enroll on the any of the course which is available on my website Study IT Education or my mobile application Study IT Education, you can download Study IT Education from the Google Play Store. So you can go ahead and download, and the sale is live. So basically I have two promo code. If you are new into the study education, so you will get 50% discount on, you can use the welcome coupon code. And if you are my existing customer or existing learner, and if you want to purchase the new courses, then you can use the new year and you will get the 40% discount, and this coupon code is valid till 31st of December. So basically total 4 course is available on my website. So you can see here practice and download SQL interview question with the answer. Here you will find all the real-time interview question you can download also. So you will get around 300, and also download SQL training material with the video. So you will get around 350 if you, or 400 if you use the coupon code. Third we have the download SQL training material. This is the completely on the notes, so you can download all the training material. So you will get around 150. So this is a very minimal price. And last one, we have the download real time scenario based interview question. So here we have to download. So main difference between this course and this course, here you can practice, but here you can see the directly answer, but here also answer the available. So you will get around 250. So what is the process? So just you can sign up on my website Study IT Education. You will find the video description link. Also you can install the mobile application as well, where you can learn all this SQL training. In the future I will provide you coming material as well. So go ahead and enroll before 31st, so you will get the maximum discount on this course. So the promo code will be pop up during the checkout option. So here you will get the new year sales 40% live, and welcome is the basically 50% is live. So don't wait the last. So just you can go ahead and enroll on these courses. If you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can directly you can write to mail to on studyiiteducation@gmail.com. You can also learn the training material video on my YouTube channel also I provided. So in the next coming year you will crack the next technical interview or the next technical job, whatever you have the dream. So keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.